Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix cellular update where your iPhone cannot make and receive calls or access cellular data until it has been updated. If you're also facing this kind of error on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how to fix that iPhone error. Some possible method is here. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly we close that error. Okay, now move to the first solution. The first solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to tap on airplane mode and turn it on. After turn it on 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off and check if your iPhone has fixed or not. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting, tap on general, and tap on general you need to tap on software update. Okay, make sure your iPhone updated to the latest iOS update. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, then you need to tap the update option and update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. Okay, if that method not working, then go back and check your date and time. Okay, make sure your iPhone date and time is correct and it's set automatically, time zone is on. Okay, now move to the next possible solution is scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. No, reset. Okay, reset network settings and apply it on your iPhone. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps you can easily fix that your iPhone showing that error. Okay, if that method still not working and you're facing this kind of error again and again, then move to the last possible solution is force to restart your iPhone and check your SIM card. Okay, if your SIM card not working, then replace your SIM card and will fix your issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.